Start by cleaning bulkhead corner with alcohol pad. With bulb side up, align and adhere seal to bed cap. Then trim excess and firmly press seal. Repeat for opposite side. Clean vertical surface of bed cap with alcohol pad. Now trim 1/8 inch off wiper side of bulb and wiper seal that will contact bulkhead seal. Align and adhere seal with top of bed cap, ensuring bulb side is up and contact seal on bulkhead. Continue adhering seal to vertical surface. Slightly raise seal at bed cap feature so adhesive is at top of bed cap. Trim excess seal and firmly press seal. Repeat on opposite side. Note locations of holes in side rails, then remove bolts in truck bed at corresponding locations. Insert hex bolt with lock washer and flat washer through long leg side of rail bracket and spacer. Then finger tighten bolt. Repeat for remaining brackets. Position side rail against inside lip of box. Then push side rail forward until touching front of box. Ensure front notch in side rail rests on top of seal at bulkhead. Align side rail holes with side rail brackets. Now insert hex bolts through side rail and side rail bracket, then finger tighten with flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Ensure side rail is level. Starting at the front, secure bolts holding side rail bracket to bed rail. Fully tighten bolts holding side rail to side rail bracket. Now torque all bolts to 10 foot-pounds. Repeat process to install side rail on opposite side. For remaining cover installation, refer to standard instructions.